Who doesn't like some delicious chicken wings? Here is a perfect recipe to take that SUYA spice and pack it into these delicious nibbles. So first of all, I've got my clean chicken wings and I'm just going to start to season it with a number of powder seasonings. This obviously includes the SUYA spice, which is the main star of the show. I'm just going to mix all of these seasonings together into my chicken in a bowl. Take that away and marinate it in the fridge for a few hours if you have time. Otherwise, if you don't, and I typically do not, then just get straight to cooking. So here I'm mixing together some SUYA spice and also some oil, and this we're going to brush on top of our wings before we put them in the oven. So I've got all my wings here that I just seasoned, and now I'm taking a kitchen brush and just brushing that paste that we just made, that SUYA paste, onto our chicken. Take it away and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. Then you want to take it out and turn it over. Once you turned it over, take as much of that SUYA paste as you have left and brush it on top. So we bake this in the oven for a final 10 minutes and then your SUYA wings are ready. So I like to serve mine with some cucumber, some red onions, some tomatoes, which is typically how you'll find anything SUYA steak, SUYA chicken kebab served. I love it because it brings so much freshness to the dish and it just tastes like I'm eating a kebab. But if you like, you can also chuck this into a pepper mix, make it into a bit of a stew and eat it with rice as well, which I have done sometimes with leftover SUYA chicken wings. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.